Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Are you ready for your Friday? Oh my goodness, it is Friday. Gratitude. I'm wearing my gratitude shirt this morning just for you because it's Friday and because I love you and I am so grateful that I am so blessed to have amazing students like you. So I'm wearing my gratitude shirt today to let you know that I am so grateful for you. I love you and I hope you like this lesson. It'll be a short one and then you can start your weekend, okay? All right, let me share my screen with you and we're going to go ahead and look at two special sounds today. And I'm sure you already know these, but we're going to review them. And let me see. It'll go on right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it beat me. Okay, today we are going to look at the I in crystal Y and air in cherry ERR. So let's move forward. We have I in crystal Y, and we have, let me go ahead and circle it right here with my handy dandy little, right here, a stylus, and it's on there. Yes, it is. I can choose any color. So we're going to choose black for right now. I in crystal Y. So this has a I sound, even though it's a Y. Isn't that crazy? It's a Y, but it has the I sound like this, short vowel, right? It's really weird, but whenever you see a Y, right, in the middle of a word, it is I sound. For example, let's look at some words down here on this chart. Here we go, like the word gym. But gym is not with a J like a name. Gym as in gymnasium, like I go work out at the gym, right? And you have this word right here. Look, it starts with a capital letter L, and that means that it's somebody's name. So this person's name is Lynn, Lyn, Lynn with a Y. Now let's look at this. Oh, you've heard this word before, and it is capitalized, but not because it's somebody's name, but because it is a name of a place. In this case, it is Egypt. So it has two special sounds. Look, this is J in giant, G, E, J, J, Egypt. And it has the Y, Egypt. Okay, and now look at this word here, symbol. Symbol. You see how it has the I sound? Symbol, like the plus, right? Remember we're talking about the symbol of the plus sign? That's the word, symbol. And you have, oops, excuse me, we have bicycle. You have bicycle after the C, you see? In city, C. That's two special sounds also. In city, C, and the I in crystal, Y. Bicycle. And then mystery, like, wow, let's find the mystery of the missing pencil. So that's the word mystery. And then you have air in cherry, ERR. So air, ERR, right? In the word cherry. There it is. Now let's go on to the bottom here. And these are some words that have the air in them, right? So here we go. Air, airy, Mary. And then you have b, air, e, berry. And then you have error, like a mistake, error, right? And then look, this is a name, Terry, Terry. So did you I spy with your little eye those special sounds that you have in between or at the beginning of the words? So those are just some special sounds, right? And these are, there could be many, many more words that have these special sounds, boys and girls. So let's move on here. What do we have? You can have, if you have your whiteboard ready, you can grab that and your marker. You can put down your pencil, or just if you didn't have your pencil, that's okay. If you can just take your marker and your whiteboard, okay? And here we go. I'll go a little bit slow. Let me change colors here. See my handy dandy color changer. And this is the sight word of the day, you. Y-O-U spells you. Now, let's go over these 5 words that you can write on your whiteboard. You could choose maybe 2 to write, or you could choose more. But I don't know if you're going to be able to write them quickly, but you can always just rewind, or you just play this, the tape over again, right? The video over. Okay, here we go. So I am going to get a little bit closer to this word here, and the word is flat. Full in flake, FL, here it is, and then short vowel sound over the A, flat. Full at, flat. See how we've been learning the blend with the vowel, flat. You just put that last consonant sound. The next one, in spade, SP, short vowel sound is ah, spot, spot. You got it? Good. Now let's look at this word here. It is a B, it starts with a B, but it has 2 vowels. So the first one takes the long sound and the second one is shh, silent. So this is not going to say ba, it's going to say bay, because this word is going to turn that first vowel sound into the long sound. This magic E at the end is going to turn that first vowel into the long vowel sound. Okay, again, let me explain it, and we can do it over again. Here we go. It has 2 vowels. The first vowel takes the long sound. The second one is silent. It will turn this first vowel into the long vowel sound. Not a, it will say a, base, base, okay? Now let's go to the next one, cur and crib, CR. Only 1 vowel, crib, crib, okay? Now this one here has 2 special sounds. It has ter in train, TR. And what is this last one? What does that last one say? I am fly. Why? Because it's a small word, and so when there's a Y at the end of a small word, it is going to say I, like the long vowel sound I, okay? It's not going to say ya, doesn't make sense, okay? So, like I said, you can write all 5, or you can just choose to write 2 or 3 on your board, whatever you feel that you want to do, okay? So now let's go ahead and read these with me, please. You just need to read them. You could watch how I mark them, and you can read them with me. You can see how I mark the special sounds and the vowels. Here we go. Added, added, okay? Ed. What's that special sound? Ed in wanted, ED, okay? So that's a special sound. Add, ed. This is the root word, add. Now let's look over here. Mild. Who can I spy with their little I where this special sound is? Mild. Ild and child, ILD. You got it. Now let's look at this one. Here is the root word, call. Call, all in ball, ALL. The word is call, but then you have this suffix called, called, right? D in played, ED, just like when we're saying the special sounds, it has different sounds. This one says add ed, like ed in wanted, and this one is d in played, ED. So even though this is an ED and this is an ED, they're 2 different sounds. This one is f, ear, fear, ear in ear, EAR, okay? Now let's go to the next row. Sleep, E, sleepy, okay? So here's the suffix, the root word is sleep, sl, eep, there's the root word, okay? And there it is right here. And then you have E in rainy, Y, sleepy, rainy, there it is. And here again, Eind and kind, IND, find, there it is. And then pair, air in, pair, E-A-R. You have softly. Soft is the root word. Lee. Lee and slowly. L-Y. Softly. And then we have whole. Whole. In who. W-H. And then O-L-E. Whole. Whole. Then the last one is drape. Dur in drum. Not the last one, but this next one is ape. Dur in drum, D-R. You have two vowels. Drape, drape. Then the next one is spell. Sp in spade, S-P. Short vowel E sound is eh, o, spell. Okay? And then the next one is tur in train, T-R. Short vowel sound is ip, trip, trip. Got it? Let's go back to the beginning and we will read them together. Are you ready? Here we go. Added, added. Mild, mild. Called, called. Fear, fear. Sleepy, sleepy. Find, find. Pair, pair. Softly, softly. Whole, whole. This is the kind of whole like I want the whole thing, not the hole in the wall or hole on the ground. The other kind of hole is H-O-L-E. You see that? Drape, drape. Spell, spell. And the last one is trip, trip. Okay, boys and girls. Now, you can practice them. You could read them. You can stop the video and pause it and read them. You can write them on your whiteboard, whatever you want to do. Remember, the root word is whatever the word is without the suffix. So if you take this away, this is a root word. The word is add, right? Add, call, sleep, okay, soft. Those are words that have a suffix and the root word can stand alone without that ending sound, okay? Okay, let's see. So we got the flat, spot, base, crib, try, and then we have these words that you are also going to write, or you could just read them off your screen if you'd like. All right, and we went over the I in crystal, Y that sounds like a short vowel I sound, and this one sounds air, like cherry, air. It sounds like the air, right? But it's E-R-R. Okay, guys? Well, that's a lot of work you did today. And that good thing is today there's no paper. You get to just do this off the screen or write it down on your whiteboard, okay? I really hope that you learned something today like you always do every day. And now you can enjoy your weekend. And again, thank you. I have so much gratitude towards you and all of your hard work and your mom and your dad and whoever is helping you, your grandma, your grandpa. Thank you, thank you, thank you to them. You are awesome. I love you and keep reading. Bye. Have a great weekend.